is the main reason we can see and know what is happening around us. Light mainly comes from the sun, and if it bounces on an object, it will be reflected. Reflections of light and other forms of electromagnetic radiation occurs when the waves encounter a surface or other boundary that does not absorb the energy of the radiation and bounces the waves away from the surface.
Good morning everyone, we are the group 3 and now we will conduct an experiment regarding the reflection of light. So now let's go and conduct an experiment.
Hello everyone, my name is Asher and I'm a student of St. Catherine School. In this video presentation, I, alongside fellow classmates, are grouped into a project under the name of Group 3 on finding answers to questions through experimentation that hopefully will satisfy the curiosities towards the topic on the reflection of light. Now, with the first experiment, when the paper with writings was placed in front of the mirror, the word becomes inverted because the image of everything in front of the mirror is reflected backward, retracing the path it traveled to get there. While on the second experiment, when the light was flashed into the mirror 30 degrees or more, it is also reflected the same measure of the angle of incidence because the light ray selects the shortest path to reach the destination. And lastly, the third experiment, when the light was flashed to the rock, the light did not pass through the rock because the atoms absorbed some of the photons, so light did not pass through it. Thus we, Group 3, have concluded that when an image is placed in front of a mirror, the image will be inverted because any image in front of the mirror is reflected backward, retracing the path it traveled to get there. When light is reflected by a mirror, it will have the same measure as the angle of incidence, because the light rays select the shortest path to reach the destination. Lastly, we have concluded that light can't pass through the rock because it is an opaque object, and opaque objects do not allow light to pass through them. Instead, they absorb it. And with this conclusion, we thank you for watching this video presentation. Hopefully, you have learned something in the topics of the reflection of light.